To Constance Moves cooking class, which we do in every week. Here today we are going to cook octopus coconut curry. My name is Darindu
And my name is Sharjeel.
and we have all the ingredients which we are going to do today: chili powder, cumin powder, lime, fish curry powder, turmeric, bay leaves, salt, dry chili, pepper, curry powder which we make at our Constance Moves home. Here we have fresh octopus which we take from our sea. Here we have curry leaves which we take
From
Constance Moves garden, onion, chopped ginger, chopped garlic, and coconut milk.
pan and add some oil. So why we doing particular this curry? Because this is because of our roots. We are here in Indian Ocean. Our all properties are in Mauritius, Seychelles, Maldives, and Madagascar. So this is our culture. So we do weekly basis different types and different styles of cooking classes, and this particular week we're gonna do octopus coconut. So we already pre-minced the ginger and the garlic. The chef gonna add into it and saute a little bit to make it soft, not to give a little too much color. So then we're gonna do
Onion
after cooking, slice orange curry leaves.
which we take from our garden.
Yeah, we have here in Mofushi, fresh leaf, very good, taste better actually. Make sure the smell and the taste is coming so you know it's going well. We'll share some great cooking secrets with you. Next we adding chili powder. Cook a little we adding, why we here salting little the spices, because we want to make them we want to enhance the flavor of the spice which we already crushed by hand to enhance the flavor. These are just the secrets which we do in our cooking. We're sharing with you. And saute a little. Then you add your octopus. Go with coconut milk. Half of the tomatoes into it. Secret recipe to curry powder, which is here in Constance Mofushi we make our own. This is basically blend of spices which we'll share with you later. Yeah, now we're adding lime into the curry to enhance the flavor. So any type of acidity like vinegar or lime or lemon, we are adding into curry to enhance the other spices and the flavor, to bring it to peak level. Now we're gonna add some salt. Low, because if the temperature is high, so it might affect your cooking, so just keep the temperature medium high.
The curry powder which we make in our home in Constance, we use this for this cumin, cardamom, and some cloves. We need to cinnamon. We just heat and in the pan we blend it until like we get like this powder. Actually, this is style which we make in Constance Moves. This is our style which we make in our home.
So now our octopus curry is ready. So one very very special ingredient which we want to share with you, which is love. We always try to make food with love and passion. It's all about, because anybody can cook curry, anybody. So here in Constance we never forget to add love in anything we do. And we do catering for allergens, for nut-free, gluten-free, and all of that. We are ready to welcome you back. We really, really miss you. And we are Constance, and we are true by nature.